Neck micro movements. These practices invite a soft, near invisible movements into the neck, activating the small, often overlooked muscles that support balance. They're perfect for subtle releases throughout the day. Begin by tuning into your neck. Sense how it feels in this moment. Is there tension or tightness or holding? Can gently move your head a little, exploring the quality of movement through the neck. Now this is the Paintbrush micro movement. This is a practice from Gerda Alexander's Eutony class. We imagine a paintbrush extending straight out from your ear. And with small, soft movements, imagine you're writing your name in cursive on the wall next to you. This movement is so tiny, it may be barely visible externally, just enough to engage the tissues. And when you have finished, repeat the same with the opposite ear. This helps release the lateral muscles of the neck without over effort. Next, we have the crown spiral movement. Imagine you have a torch, a light beaming upwards from the crown of your head. Begin by drawing tiny circles on the ceiling with the light. Slowly allow the circles to grow, creating a soft spiral. When you're done, you can change directions. Let the movement stay light and soft and subtle. Disengages the deeper postural muscles along the back of the neck and the spine. And just allowing the head to stop and relax and settle. And tuning into how the area feels now, with sense of balance, or space, or ease. And just affirm to yourself any shifts that you notice, however subtle. These movements can be done anytime you want to bring ease and space into the neck. They are micro movements that will create subtle shifts that build over time and soften deeply held patterns without effort. You can repeat them daily or as needed. Remember that subtle shifts can continue for a few days, so drink plenty of water and be mindful of integration. Thank you.